Hello friends, myself Dr. Sanjeet Kumar. Today we are going to start tobacco. Tobacco, this is called Tambaku. Features obtained from Nicotiana tobacum. There is increased incidence of lung carcinoma due to presence of polonium-210 in the tobacco smoke. Each cigarette contains 15 to 20 milligram of nicotine, of which 1 to 2 milligram is absorbed by the smoking. Each cigar contains 15 to 40 milligram of nicotine. Nicotine is the drug of addiction. Develops psychological dependence. All parts of the plant are poisonous except seed. This belongs to Solanaceae family. Tobacco is the commonest abused drug worldwide. This is the plant of tobacco. These are the dried leaves of tobacco. Route of administration: smoke, snuff and chew. Then active principle: nicotine, anabasine. Then fatal dose: crude nicotine 40 to 60 milligram. Crude tobacco 15 to 30 grams. Fatal period 5 to 15 minutes. Then mechanism of action: फर्स्ट स्टिमुलेट देन पैरालाइज द वेगल एंड ऑटोनोमिक गैंग्लिया. पहले स्टिमुलेट करेगा फिर पैरालाइज करेगा किसको? वेगल एंड ऑटोनोमिक गैंग्लिया को. देन क्लिनिकल फीचर: जीआईटी, बर्निंग एसिड सेंसेशन, नोजिया, वोमिटिंग, एब्डोमिनल पेन, हाइपरसलावेशन. सीएनएस फीचर: हेडेक, स्वेटिंग, डिजीनेस, फर्स्ट म्यूसिस, देन माइडेसिस, कन्फ्यूजन, एटेक्सिया, रेस्टलेसनेस, एजिटेशन, कन्वर्जन एंड कोमा. Then cardiopulmonary, तो early feature tachycardia, hypertension and tachypnea. Late feature bradycardia, hypotension और respiratory depression. Tobacco amblyopia, central field of vision is diminished with optic atrophy. Central field of vision diminished, optic atrophy. Occlusive thromboangiitis obliterans is common. An increase in the incidence of cancer of mouth, tongue, throat, larynx and lungs are common. Tobacco hurt, this is important. Tobacco hurt develops in the habitual smokers characterized by the irregularity, extrasystole and occasional attack of pain suggesting angina pectoris. Then cause of death: respiratory failure caused by the paralysis of respiratory muscles. Then withdrawal symptom: anxiety, headache, restlessness, impaired concentration and the memory, sleep disturbance, muscle cramp. Most withdrawal symptom peaks at 1 to 3 days and last for about 3 to 4 weeks. Then treatment: ABCD, gastric lavage, purgative like sodium sulfate 15 gram in 100 ml of water. Specific antidote is important in our scene: atropine sulfate 1 to 2 mg IM and hexamethonium chloride 25 to 50 mg subcutaneous to counteract peripheral autonomic disturbance and as respiratory stimulant. Then vasodilator like nitrates 1 to 2 mg propranolol to control arrhythmia and symptomatic treatment. Then postmortem finding: signs of asphyxia, characteristic smell in the stomach, brown discoloration of stomach wall mucosa, pulmonary edema, nicotine resist putrefaction. ये important है, nicotine resist करेगा putrefaction. Then nicotine replacement therapy NRT. It includes use of nicotine product like gum, transdermal patch, nasal spray etc. Example है bupropion, clonidine and nortriptyline. This is the nicotine replacement therapy. Then medical importance: accidental, commonest drug abuse; homicidal, less common; suicidal, rare; malingering; nicotine resist putrefaction; used as an insecticide to control stray dog population. चॉप चॉप टोबैको और लूज टोबैको It is cheap, homegrown, illegal, untaxed tobacco sold in Australia. This is chop chop tobacco. Lead arsenate is used as pesticide on tobacco crop so that there is risk of lead poisoning among the smokers. Then juuling or vaping. It is a process of nicotine intake in a device called Juul. Type of e-cigarette. Juul delivers more nicotine than other e-cigarette. The Juul is called the iPhone of vapes because of its sleek appearance. It has cell and the pod. Cartridge is called Juul pod. Each cartridge contains propylene glycol, glycerine, flavoring agent, natural oil, benzoic acid and the nicotine salt. Each pod has about the same amount of nicotine as a pack of cigarettes or 200 puffs. The cell is made up of aluminum encasing, lithium ion battery, circuit board and a pressure sensor. It gives user a strong and fast punch. This is Juul. Then important question of oleander poisoning. Heat resistant poison कौन सा है? नेरियम ओडोरम. The following one is not a cardiac poison. टोबैको है, डिजिटलिस परपूरा है, सर्विरा थबेसिया है, कालावार भी नहीं है. Then important questions of nicotine poisoning. On autopsy, show the signs of asphyxia in which of the following poison? Strychnine, aconite, nicotine, all of the above. Fatal dose of crude tobacco is 10 gram, 20 gram, 45 gram, 50 gram. Which of the following is false about the juuling or vaping? Delivers less nicotine than other e-cigarette, a type of e-cigarette. Each pod has about the same amount of nicotine as a pack of cigarettes. A cartridge is called Juul pod. Then which is true about the nicotine poisoning? Develop psychological dependence, commonest abused drug worldwide. Each cigar contains 15 to 40 milligram of nicotine. ऑल ऑफ द अबव. इस 4 क्वेश्चन का आंसर कमेंट में करना है, फिर नेक्स्ट वीक में आंसर बताएंगे. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट निकोटीन और टोबैको. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.